Welcome to Slow Clear English. Learn English with clarity and confidence, one word at a time.
Hello and welcome to Slow Clear English. I'm Oliver. In this podcast, we speak slowly and clearly to help you understand real English.
Hi, everyone. I'm Lucy.
Before we start, Lucy, can I ask something?
Of course.
If you enjoy learning English with us,
Please like the video, subscribe to the channel.
and if this episode helps you,
Leave a comment and tell us what you think.
it really helps the channel.
And it helps us know you're listening.
All right, let's begin.
So today we have a very special topic. I think it's a topic that can change everything.
Everything. That's a big promise.
It is a big promise, but I think it's true. Today we are talking about your brain.
My brain.
Yes. We're talking about the English mindset. How to, train your brain to speak English naturally.
Naturally. That's the dream, isn't it? To speak easily. To have the words just come out. But honestly, it is so hard.
It is hard, but why is it hard? When you learn a new language, what do you do inside your head?
Well, let me think. If I want to say a sentence. First, I think of it in my own language. My first language.
Okay, so that's step one. You think in your native language?
Yes. And then step two, I look for the English words. I try to change it. I translate it.
You translate it, right? Almost like a machine.
Exactly. I feel like a computer. I think, okay, the verb, it goes here. The adjective goes here.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of time.
And then what happens?
Then finally, step three, I speak. I say the sentence out loud.
Right. So step one, native language. Step two, translate. Step three, speak.
Yes. Is that wrong?
It's not wrong, exactly, but it is a problem. Imagine you are walking up a mountain.
A mountain. Okay.
Oh, but-
A big mountain. I'm walking.
And now imagine you were carrying a very, very heavy backpack. And
Yeah.
it's full of rocks.
Oh, that sounds terrible.
No.
I'm tired just thinking about it.
Well, that backpack, that is translation. When you translate every single word, you are carrying that heavy weight. It makes you slow.
It does feel slow. So slow. Sometimes I want to say something, but I stop. I have to pause. I go, because I'm looking for the word in my head.
Exactly. You are working too hard. Your brain feels tired.
So what's the solution then? How do I take off this backpack?
The goal is to remove step two. We want to just delete the translation part.
Delete the translation.
Yes. We want to go from step one, the idea, straight to step three, the English words.
So I see something and I just say the English for it.
Yes. You think in English.
Thinking in English. Wow. That sounds a little scary.
It can feel scary at first.
It feels impossible. My brain just automatically wants to translate. It's a habit.
It is a habit, you're right. But we can break habits. We can build new ones.
How? Where do we start?
We must start small. Very, very small.
How small are we talking?
Well, a lot of students, they try to think these big, complex thoughts. They want to talk about, politics or the news or deep feelings.
But that's way too difficult.
It is. It's too difficult. You can't run a marathon if you can't walk first. So we start with objects.
Objects. You mean like things in this room?
Exactly. Look at your hand. Can you pick up that pen on your desk?
Okay. I'm holding my pen.
Now, just look at the pen. Don't think of the word in your native language. Look at its blue color. Look at its shape. And just think the English sentence. This is a pen.
This is a pen.
Say it again, it's just in your head. Connect the real object to the English words.
This is a pen.
Good. Now describe it a little. Is it red?
No. My pen is blue.
Great. My pen is blue. Now touch it. How does it feel? Is it soft?
No. It is hard.
It is hard. And is it heavy?
It is light.
Perfect. You see, you are not translating. You are looking, feeling, and thinking directly in English.
I'm connecting the thing directly to the word.
Exactly. You are putting an English label on the world around you.
I like this.
Yeah.
It feels much easier.
It is easy because it's simple. So let's make it a routine.
A routine.
Yes, something you do every single day. Let's try your morning routine.
Okay. My morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Okay. So let's act it out. Imagine you're in your bed. Just close your eyes for a second.
Okay. Eyes are closed. I'm sleeping.
Now I'll wake up. Open your eyes. What's the very first thought in English?
I am awake.
I am awake. Good. Now look around your room. What do you see?
I see the light.
I see the light. Perfect. Now move your body.
I stretch my arms.
Stretch my arms. And do you stay in bed?
No. I get up.
I get up. How does the floor feel on your feet? You don't have shoes on.
Oh, The floor is cold.
The floor is cold. Excellent. You feel the cold and you think the word cold? No translation needed.
Then I walk to the bathroom.
And what do you see in the bathroom?
I see the mirror.
Look in that mirror. Who do you see?
I see my face.
I see my face. How's your hair? Is it neat?
No, definitely not. My hair is crazy.
My hair is crazy. That's a great sentence.
Then I pick up my toothbrush.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
The water is fresh.
The water is fresh.
You see, that took maybe 1 minute, but in that minute you thought 10 English sentences.
You're right. And I didn't translate. I was just doing the action and thinking the English words.
This is the training. This is how you train your brain to trust English.
So I can do this outside my house too.
Yes. You should do it on your commute when you go to work or school.
Okay. Let's imagine I'm walking to the bus stop.
Okay. Look around you. What's happening?
I am walking.
I'm walking. Good. What's the weather like?
The sun is high.
Sun is hot. What do you hear?
I hear a car.
Okay, look at the car.
It is a red car.
It is a red car. Is it going slow?
No, the car is fast.
The car is fast. Good. Now look at the people.
I see a man.
And what is he doing?
He is running.
He is running. Maybe he is late for the bus, too.
Yes, maybe. He is late.
This is the secret. You connect English to your real life, not to your native language, not to a textbook.
It really feels like a game.
Mhm.
Just describing my world.
It is a game.
Yeah.
And it stops the translation. That heavy backpack is gone. You are just walking.
I feel lighter already.
Good. So that is tip number 1. Start small. Use small sentences to describe your world.
Okay, I can do that, but I have another problem.
What's the problem?
Well, I have these small sentences. The car is red. The pen is blue. But I need more words. Sometimes I don't know the word for something.
You need more vocabulary.
Yes, and if I don't know the word, I stop. I get stuck.
Of course. And that brings us perfectly to tip number 2. Tip number 2 is all about input.
Input.
Yes, input means information that is coming into your ears and into your eyes.
So listening and reading.
Mostly listening and watching.
But I try that. I listen to movies. I watch American movies. And I don't understand anything.
Why not? What happened?
It's just too fast. They speak so quickly. To me, it sounds like fish, fish, fish.
Fish, fish, fish.
Yes, it's just noise. I can't catch any of the words. They swim away too fast. It makes me feel, well, a bit stupid.
You are not stupid at all. The input is just too hard for you right now. If the input is too fast, your brain just, it closes.
My brain closes the door, yes.
Exactly. So you need the right kind of input. You need something called comprehensible input.
Comprehensible. That means understandable.
Yes. Things you can actually understand. Like this podcast.
Slow, clear English.
Right. We speak slowly. We repeat words so your brain can relax. The door stays open.
Okay. So slow podcasts are good. What else?
Music. Music is wonderful input.
But some songs are very fast, too.
True. So maybe don't listen to fast rap music. Listen to pop songs or slow songs.
Why are songs so good for learning?
Because of repetition. They repeat the same words and phrases again and again and again.
Like, I love you, I love you, I love you.
Exactly that. Think of a song that you know.
Okay. There's that song by Selena Gomez. It goes, I love you like a love song, baby.
Sing it again.
I love you like a love song, baby.
And again.
I love you like a love song, baby.
You see? It repeats. I love you. I love you.
And it gets stuck in my head. I find myself singing it in the shower.
That is perfect. It's called an earworm. The English is living inside your brain. You don't have to try to remember it. It's just there.
So listen to simple songs and sing them.
Yes. It teaches you the rhythm, the sort of music of the language.
Okay. Podcasts and music. What about watching things? You said movies are too hard.
Movies can be very hard, but YouTube is fantastic. The secret is to watch videos about things you like.
The things I like, you mean my hobbies.
Yes. What do you like to do? Do you like cooking? Or sports? Or cars?
I love pizza. I really love making pizza at home.
Okay, perfect. So watch a video of someone making a pizza, but watch it in English.
Why is that better than a movie?
Because it's visual. You can see what the person is doing.
Right. Okay, so I imagine the video. The chef is in the kitchen.
Yes, and he has a ball of dough, the white bread.
And he says, I take the dough.
And you see him take it. Your brain makes the connection. Aha, that is dough.
Then maybe he says, I stretch the pizza.
And you see the action. You see him stretching it.
I put the sauce on the pizza.
And you see the red tomato sauce going on. You connect the word to the color and the action.
I add the cheese.
And you see the white cheese falling,
I put it in the oven.
and you see the hot fire.
This is great. I can understand everything because I can see it.
Exactly. You don't need to translate. The picture is the
Okay.
translation.
I'm interested. I actually want to learn how to make that pizza.
That is so important. A happy brain learns much faster. A bored brain learns very, very slowly.
So if I like football, I should watch football in English.
Yes. Watch the match.
So the person says, he passes the ball.
And you see the pass.
He runs down the field.
And you see him running.
He shoots.
You see the kick.
It is a goal.
You see the celebration. And just like that, you learn pass, run, shoot, and goal naturally.
Without a dictionary.
Without a dictionary.
Yeah.
And without that heavy backpack.
So that's tip number 2. Input. Listen and watch things you enjoy and make sure they are easy to understand.
Yes. Now that brings us to tip number 3.
We have start small. We have input. What's number 3?
Number 3 is output.
Output. Okay, so
Yeah.
speaking.
Yes, speaking.
But Lucy, I have a big problem here. A really, really big problem.
What is it?
I'm alone.
You're alone.
I live alone. My friends, they all speak my native language.
Yeah.
I don't have an English-speaking partner. I have nobody to practice with.
This is probably the most common excuse I hear.
It's not an excuse. It's true.
Well, it is true that you are alone, but it is an excuse for not speaking. You do not need a partner to practice output.
I don't.
No. You
What?
can talk to the best practice partner in the whole world.
Who is that?
Yourself.
Talk to myself.
Yes.
But people think I'm crazy if I'm walking on the street talking to myself
Maybe. So don't do it on the street. Do it in your room. Do it in the car. Do it in the shower.
in a private place. But what do I even say? I can't have a conversation. Hello, Oliver. How are you? I am fine, thank you, Oliver. It's boring.
That is a little boring, yes.
Yeah.
So let's try a different exercise. Let's try describing your room.
Describing my room.
Yes. Look around the room you're in right now.
Okay, I'm looking.
Now, describe it out loud. Pretend I can't see it. Use full sentences.
Okay. I will try. I am in my room.
Good start. What's in front of you?
I see a desk.
Tell me about the desk.
The desk is white.
Okay. And what is on the desk?
There is a computer.
Is it on or off?
Yes. The computer is on.
What else?
I see a microphone.
I see a microphone.
I see a bottle of water.
Good. Describe the bottle.
The bottle is full.
The bottle is full.
I see a window.
Is the window open?
The window is closed.
You see? You are speaking English. You're making sentences. You're flowing.
It feels a little strange, hearing my own voice in a quiet room.
It does feel strange at first, but your mouth is moving. Your tongue is making the English shapes. You are building the muscles for speaking.
I'm training my mouth muscles.
Yes, and your brain is actively searching for the words. It's not passive, it's active training.
It's definitely harder than just listening.
Yes, output is harder than input,
Yeah.
but it is so powerful for learning.
Is there another exercise? Describing my room is good, but what if I want to tell a story?
You can tell a story, you can review your day.
Review my day. You mean like writing in a diary?
Exactly, but a spoken diary. You can do this at night, just before you go to sleep.
Okay. I'm in my bed. It's dark.
Ask yourself, what did I do today? And then answer out loud.
Okay. I'll try. I'll tell you about my imaginary day today.
Go ahead.
Today I woke up late.
I woke up late. Good, past tense.
I missed the bus.
Oh no, I missed the bus.
So I walked to work.
I walked to work. Was it a long walk?
Yes. It was far. I was tired.
I was tired.
For lunch, I ate a sandwich.
I ate a sandwich. Was it a good sandwich?
No. It was bad. The bread was dry.
Ugh, the bread is dry.
Then I came home. I watched TV.
I watched TV.
And now I am in bed.
That was a perfect little story, and you used the past tense so well. Woke, missed, walked, ate, was.
I did. And I didn't need to look at a textbook. I used my life.
And the best part of this exercise, nobody heard you.
Why is that the best part?
Because if you make a mistake, it doesn't matter. Nobody cares. It is a completely safe space to practice.
That's true. If I say I eat a sandwich, nobody's there to laugh at me.
Exactly. And you can correct yourself. You can say, wait a minute, not eated, ate. I ate a sandwich.
So I can be my own teacher.
Yes, you can.
I really like these ideas. Talk to myself. Describe my room. Review my day.
It builds your confidence. So when you finally speak to a real person, you feel more ready.
That brings me to my last question. It's about mindset.
Mindset. Yes, how you think and how you feel.
The thing is, I have a lot of fear. I'm afraid.
What are you afraid of?
I'm afraid of making mistakes, especially in front of other people.
Can you give me an example?
Yes. Last year, I went to London on holiday,
Uh,
and I went to a coffee shop.
okay, a coffee shop in London.
I wanted to order a coffee, and I practiced the sentence in my head. I want a coffee, please. I want a coffee, please, over and over.
That's a good sentence. Sounds perfect.
I know. But when I got to the front of the line, the man behind the counter looked at me. He said, "What can I get you?" And I froze.
You froze.
My mind went completely blank. All the English just
Yeah.
disappeared. I think I said, me coffee want.
Hey, coffee one.
Yes, and I felt so hot. My face turned red. I was so embarrassed. I felt like a total failure.
But listen to me. That is not failure. That is learning.
It felt like failure.
I know it did. But mistakes are necessary. You cannot learn to speak English without making mistakes. It's impossible.
But I want to be perfect.
You cannot be perfect. Not right now. Think about a baby who is learning to walk.
Okay, a little baby.
Does the baby just stand up and run a race perfectly on the first try?
No, of course not. The baby stands up and then falls down.
And does the baby cry and say, "Oh, I am so stupid, I will never walk again"?
No, the baby usually laughs
Yep.
and then gets up and tries again.
Be the baby. When you make a mistake, don't be angry with yourself. Don't feel sad.
So what should I do?
Just say, "Oh, okay," and then you try again next time.
Oh, okay.
Be kind to yourself. Fear is the enemy of English. If you are afraid, your brain closes. If you are relaxed and happy, your brain opens.
So I need to try to relax.
Yes, and you need to be patient.
Patient. Oh, that's the hardest part. I want to be fluent tomorrow.
I'm sorry, but you will not be fluent tomorrow.
Not tomorrow.
No, think about going to the gym. If you go to the gym for one day, for 8 hours, do you wake up the next day with big muscles?
No. My arms are still small and very sore.
Exactly. It takes time. It takes
Yeah.
weeks, months, even years of consistent work.
So I need to practice every day.
Yes, but not for hours and hours.
Good, because I'm busy. I have work. I have a family.
You only need 15 minutes.
Just 15 minutes. That's very short.
It is short, but the secret is doing it every day. 15 minutes of small sentences, or 15 minutes of input, or 15 minutes of talking to yourself.
I can find 15 minutes.
Huh.
I can do that on the bus or in the shower, like you said.
Exactly. Consistency is more important than the amount of time. Small steps every day.
And have fun.
Yes. That is the most important rule of all. Have fun with it.
If you hate what you're doing, you will stop doing it.
But if I enjoy it, I will want to continue.
Of course. So watch the pizza videos, listen to the love songs, talk about your happy day, make English a fun part of your life.
This helps so much. I don't feel so heavy anymore. I think the backpack is gone.
I am so glad to hear that. You are ready to start training your brain.
Let's do a quick summary of what we learned. It was a lot of information.
Okay. Step 1 was the problem. Stop translating. Throw away that heavy backpack.
Step 2 was start small. Connect real objects to simple sentences. This is a pen. The water is cold.
Step 3, input. Listen to easy English you can understand. Songs, videos where you can see the action.
Step 4, output. Talk to yourself. Describe your room. Review your day before you go to sleep.
And finally, step 5, mindset. Be patient with yourself. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. And please have fun.
And do it for just 15 minutes a day.
You can do it.
I believe I can. In fact, I'm going to practice right now.
Oh, what are you going to do?
I am going to describe you.
Go ahead.
This is Lucy.
Yeah.
Lucy is smart.
Why, thank you.
Lucy is happy.
I am very happy.
See? I'm doing it. I'm thinking in English.
You are. You're doing it perfectly.
That's all for today.
Yes, but don't stop here.
Take your time and listen again if you need.
And practice a little every day.
If you liked this episode,
Please like the video and subscribe.
and tell us in the comments.
What was easy and what was difficult?
We love reading your comments.
And we read all of them.